need lip-free injection, this is where it's at. But baby, it's even more powerful than the regular stuff. I usually do this because I'm crazy. I'm crazy for a big lips. Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Jocelyn. In today's video, I'll be eating the ghost pepper spicy chicken flavor noodles. I had this before, and to be honest, it has to be like the spiciest noodles ever, and I will be honest that my spice tolerance is not up there. So today I'm going to torture myself again because I just found that I have 3 of these left at my house. So I feel like, yeah, maybe I should just do a video. So yeah, I already boiled this and I already dumped out the water. So now I'm just gonna put the sauce in, and this is where it's at. This is where the spice gonna kick in. I know that just one little first bite is all it takes. But yeah, I'm putting maybe a lot in, not all of it, because it's like now almost 10 o'clock at night. So I know that it's not healthy to eat spicy food before you go to bed. I mean, not like this is not gonna do any better, but you know, I don't want to kill myself over it. Okay, so I got the sauce in the noodles. I don't know if you can see. And then now I'm gonna mix it. It's honestly smell like chemical, and it's so unpleasant smell. Even though this flavor, if you do not want to smell it, it tastes pretty good. It just, the smell is just unbelievable. And it looks deadly. It smells very the ingredient when you guys like in your pee, ammoniac. I don't know if that's the name for it, but yeah, it smells like that. It smells like I'm gonna die. Like I literally gonna, I don't know why I'm doing this, but here I am. I have everything ready. I have my milk, I have my juice, and I have a lot of napkins. Okay, so let's do the first bite. I'm honestly so nervous because I still don't understand why I'm doing this in the first place, but okay. Oh my god, like how do people do this? Like, I'm not even trying to be dramatic, but it's like everything's blank instantly, like as soon as you have the first bite. I question my life every time I eat these noodles. It's crazy. I don't want to chew it. It's too much. Oh my god. I feel like I want to die. The worst part is that it's lingered for so long. I don't even want to do the one challenge chip. I feel like I literally would die. Oh my god. This is so crazy. How do people do this thing? honestly though, I think this is kind of stupid. Like, why did you put yourself through this stuff? I don't even think through anymore. You're numb in my mouth. I just swallow it. And guess what? I still have so much left. Honestly, I don't understand why I'm doing this. Like, instead of enjoying a normal fucking dinner, I have to put myself through this just because. By the way, if you guys ask where I got this noodle from, I bought from Amazon. It's very expensive, but I don't know if I should just say that it's a waste of money, because if you really like spicy food and your tolerance of spice is very high, this is gonna be worth your money. But for me, I feel like I waste my money. But oh my god, I cannot even speak. This is fucking crazy. I don't know why this noodle has been staying in my drawer for so long. I don't know why I haven't been touching it, because it's crazy. I don't think I can finish the whole thing, because I would actually go to hospital if I finished the whole thing. I should add this video today, because you guys are gonna have to see me like this for the whole 20 minutes, and it's not gonna be the most interesting video. So I hope you guys have a great night wherever you are, and I hope I have a good night tonight after this torture I just put myself through. But yeah, thank you for watching the video today. Have a good one. Bye bye.